The sweet side of Canada. Nanaimo Bars. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the delightful world of Canadian cuisine. Specifically, we're focusing on a treat that not only tastes amazing but also carries the name of a city in British Columbia. Yes, we're talking about the famous Nanaimo Bars. A Nanaimo bar is a no-bake dessert originating from Nanaimo, a city on Vancouver Island in British Columbia, Canada. It's a three-layered treat. 1. The bottom layer is a crumbly mixture of graham cracker crumbs, coconut, and chopped walnuts, held together with melted butter and cocoa. 2. The middle layer is a buttery, custard-flavored butter icing. 3. The top layer is a thin layer of melted chocolate. Because it's no bake, it's super easy to prepare and is a favorite during holiday seasons and gatherings. The exact origins of the Nanaimo Bar are a bit murky, but it's believed to have been named after the city of Nanaimo in the 1950s. The first known recipe was found in a 1952 cookbook from the Women's Auxiliary to the Nanaimo Hospital, called the Chocolate Square. Later, it became popularly known as the Nanaimo Bar, a testament to its cultural significance in the region. While the traditional Nanaimo Bar is beloved by many, there are also a variety of flavors and twists that have emerged over the years. Some variations include 1. Mint Nanaimo Bars, where the middle layer has a minty flavor. 2. Peanut Butter Nanaimo Bars, substituting peanut butter in the middle layer. 3. Mocha Nanaimo Bars, adding a coffee flavor to the middle layer. These adaptations showcase the bar's versatility and how it's been embraced and modified by different communities. And there you have it, a sweet dive into one of Canada's most cherished desserts, the Nanaimo Bar. We hope this video has given you a taste, pun intended, of Canadian culture and perhaps inspired you to try making one at home. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.